Alright, so I got this all done. I'm gonna have to change something in it though here. Alright, I got this geared like that, and it's a little too tall for my liking. I'm gonna put a jack shaft with like probably a 36 tooth to that, and then I'm gonna drop down a pinion gear to the back and do that. I gotta slow it down some. It's way too fast for her. But it's a little pain in the ass to get going, and I really want this to be able to get going, like on dirt and stuff. So we're gonna have to gear it down a little more. Other than that, I'm just gonna weld a bracket and a bracket and put a shaft through. So it'll be coming. We'll get that all done soon. Right now, it's really good. I got this set up with a drag brake. So right now I can't move. And when I push, it releases the brake. Now it's locked. So when I push down, as soon as I get it and it starts to release, the cable back there actually pulls the throttle on the engine and gets it up to speed. So that's how we're doing it. I got to align these a little yet. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty good. Very pleased. But yeah, I did that. I actually couldn't find anything that was like a good, holder for that. So I ended up using drill spacers, just welded them. So that's the cable that actually goes to a legit brake cable. But I did it that way too because she's got to get her foot in here, and I wanted this out of the way. So, and this will stop, so you can't go any further to hit the steering. So, it's all good. Everything worked out pretty decent on this. But yeah, I just got to get the jack shaft in, so this thing isn't doing hole shots. It was smoking the clutch and stuff even to get up to speed. And once it did, it was just wicked fast. But anyways, so that's where I'm at. I'm gonna get that done, sorted, and then we'll do an official run video on it and see how it goes. But the main goal is gonna be, this is gonna go down some dirt trails and stuff with sand, so I really want it to be able to go semi-slow / get enough power too to really dig in. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, so I had a bunch of people ask me why I did a trike. Well, one, there's no tire in the center for this one to follow in a rut, because we are going to be on a lot of sand. So you got 2 ruts for the front tire, and this makes its own as it goes. So a little easier. If I had a live shaft across, you wouldn't be able to steer it very well. It's really hard in the sand too, especially with a live shaft. So you'd have to have a split shaft with 1 tire driving, and it would be right in line and get stuck constantly and just be a pain. So that's the main reason I did the trike type setup. And the other thing too, I had a lot of people ask why I'm doing the pedal. Well, right now with the pedal as is, the brake is on and I can't roll this. So if I push forward, it pulls everything, the whole assembly of the brake, so it releases, and it's actually pulling the throttle cable down the way too, so that it speeds up the engine to get it going. So that's the basic gist of it. And I just wanted something really low to the ground and stuff so it can't flip easy. But that's the main reasoning behind the build and why it is the way it is. So Because I had a lot of people ask me why a trike.